How to do contact tracing QR code. First is to go to Google Form, create a new form. It is really up to you what are the information you want to include. Once you are done, you need to click Send and copy the link. Then open a new tab and go to QR Monkey Code. This is a free QR code generator website. Click on the URL. Then paste the Google Form link that you have created. Next is to click Create QR Code. You now have a customized QR code. Now click Download PNG. You can save this QR code or click Copy. And finally, for the last part, you need to go to Google Docs. You need to create a document to be printed so you can post your QR code in your classroom or outside your door. To insert your QR code, you go to Image and Upload from Computer. Then add a short instruction on how to use this QR code. Finally, you now have your contact tracing QR code that you can post inside your classroom or outside your door. So how does this work? The answer is very simple. When someone enters your room, they can scan this code and it will redirect them to the Google form that you created. To check the responses, you need to go to the form that you've created and click Responses. When you click Spreadsheet and create one, you will see all the people that went to your room with a timestamp. This timestamp will be generated when they submit the form. I hope this is helpful and thank you so much for watching.